don't forget to enjoy life. Alam mo, let us not be hard on our children. Masyadong mababa ang self-confidence ng mga anak natin. Dahil imbis na mag-appreciate tayo, we become too critical and too judgmental on our children. We should avoid that. We should be more positive. We need to make them enjoy what they're doing. Ito yung narinig ko sa isang author. You know what? Life is difficult in the workplace because our parents would always tell us, when you work, you should work hard. When you study, you should study hard. Sabi ng author na ito, nobody told us to work joyfully and work happily. Too few parents would tell us, enjoy your schooling or be happy while studying. Palaging naririnig natin, mga bata pa tayo, study hard, work hard. We should enjoy life. I used to tell people, as you enjoy life, don't forget to be happy. Because many people today may be enjoying but are not happy. That's why many people today are victims of their own success.